Hello our dear customers, today we will see how to use our humidifier. At first open our box. What we can see, the user manual in English, it's one filter, USB plug, and our humidifier. At first we need to open our lid and prepare our humidifier. So let's do it. Then you need to put our filter into the water for 1 or 2 minutes. So add some water. After this, you just can add some essential oil if you want. Add 2 or 4 drops of essential oil if you want. It's up to you. And plug in our device. We use USB plug, so it's very comfortable. You can use it everywhere. And then you just turn on the device. You touch this screen. At first time you just turn on the light and fog. If you touch the second time, you just turn off the light, but we still have our fog. And the third time, you turn off the device. So let's see how it works. If you have some problems with our device, you can contact us and we will help you to solve all your problems.